operation procedure.
Firstly, we assemble the raw fill on machine and get it ready for backformer.
While the fill is ready, we can prepare the product to fill into the storage hopper. Then the customized volume metering system will measure the volume size of the product. The volume cup size can be adjustable within a certain range. After measuring, the product will be dropped down from the volume cup to the backformer for packing. And the raw fill on main machine will run through the backformer to form bag tray for bag sealing. With vertical sealing structure, the bag will be sealed and go down for bag cutting one by one. The final package comes out from the output conveyor. Machine operation parameters are clearly displayed and adjustable on touch screen. Besides, machine electronic box and transmission structure are in clearly arrangement, easy for end users to do the routine maintenance.